The Samsung Galaxy A73 5G smartphone was launched on March 17, 2022. The phone's 6.70-inch touchscreen display offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a 1080x2400 FHD Plus resolution. For safety, the display is covered in Gorilla Glass. It has an 8GB RAM capacity. The 5000 mAh battery powers the Android 12 operating system of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. Samsung's patented rapid charging is supported with the Galaxy A73. Price of Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. Actually, it was priced at 47,490 rupees. But now you can get 41,999. You can save flat 5,491 rupees on Samsung's official Indian website. Samsung is also providing another wonderful offer. Galaxy Buds 2 worth 6,990 rupees at 1,999 rupees. You can get up to 20,000 rupees on exchange value, it's depending upon the model and condition of the mobile. Battery and other configurations. The 8GB of RAM and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G CPU power the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. An octa-core CPU with a triple Cryo 670 configuration and a 2.4 GHz top speed has been added by the manufacturer. Additionally, the smartphone has an Adreno 642L GPU to handle the graphic demands. The Samsung Galaxy A73 5G's 5000 mAh Li-ion battery offers extended usage on only one charge. The cell inside is not detachable, however, it is compatible with the 25-watt rapid charging system.